guys, Jane and Reviews here, and this was a free sample by the Stink Solution. So it's 16 ounces, and let me tell you why. If you have pets, you want to get this spray. And I have this one, but I think I'm going to order more because it's absolutely amazing. So how this works is a spray that has molecules that traps odors, and nothing more disgusting than pee smell, poop smell. So this smells like pomegranate. So I can put it on a wet rag like this one or a mop. So what you want to do is the following. You want to spray where the dirty is. In this case, I'm just showing you for the video. And then you just want to wipe it. You can, if this is safe to use around your pets, this is also safe to use around children. It doesn't have harsh chemicals. It doesn't have anything strong. Like the odor is very pleasant, but it's not overwhelming. So if you have pets at home and you're not sure what to use, I think this spray, this thing solution is a very good option for you to consider. I hope you enjoyed my review and I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.